Among the four hornbill species sighted in southern India, the great pied hornbill or great Indian hornbill is extremely rare. Protected under the Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Act, this bird is considered as endemic to the Indian subcontinent. It measures over 3 feet in height and lives in evergreen forests of Western Ghats. But contrary to its nature, this particular great pied hornbill prefers the company of humans. This is a story of a rare hornbill, a man friend, a nature's marvel. It visits Krishnananda Shetty's home near Vannekere in Ankola town in Uttar Kannada district. He and his family members have been playing host to it since last 6 months.
ಹಾರ್ನ್ ಬಿಲ್ ನಮ್ಮದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಅದು ಕೆಳಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು ಅಂತ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಕಡೆಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆಯವರೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರ ಮನೆಗೂ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ಟೈಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, ಸಂಜೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ, ಮಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಟೈಮಿಗಂತೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಆಯಿತು.
The bird is so used to them that it responds to their calls, especially 8-year-old Akshay's. It plays with him, it flutters all around the garden and demands attention from the family members. It prefers to be fed by them. It has become a ritual every day. It trusts its human friends so much that it does not mind people coming to this house in their presence. It accepts every visitor without fear.